Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Kavkaz Grill N Chill. Today we're going to be doing the highly anticipated steak stir fry. I know everyone's been waiting for this recipe. It's nothing crazy, very easy to do. I like to make it with leftover steak, the day after. Just dice it up really quick and easy, nothing crazy. We're going to chop up some vegetables and put it all together, and I like to serve it over rice. So I basically like to start with some garlic here and just dice it up really quickly. Julienne some carrots. Basically what I like to do is go down the middle once, go down the middle twice, and then just go across and you got perfect julienne. So you want to do that about 1.5 carrots. It just depends on the ratio you're looking for. Next we're going to do some broccoli. Just cut off the stalks, and I like to just basically separate it out to nice little pieces that are edible. Pretty much like so. Next, what we're going to do is a jalapeno. What I like to do is take out all the flesh and the seeds, so there's really little to no heat. I just like it better than a bell pepper. It adds a little bit more flavor, I feel. And basically just like that. And I take out all the flesh, so there's really little heat. I mean, my 2-year-old eats this, so I think you should be okay. But basically just same thing like the carrots. We're gonna clean these up and julienne it. And make sure you don't get any seeds or that white flesh. That's where the heat is. So just make sure it's all clean. I like to push it down. Basically cut it in half. Stack it. Go across. Just like that. So for the very end, I like to add green onions. Just make them kind of like julienne style, like about that long. Basically, we'll just add that in, the last like maybe 2 minutes or so, just so they cook up a little bit. And as you can see, we have all our veggies here. Basically, we're going to get started with heating up our pan, and we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to the bottom of it. Basically just a splash, enough to cover the bottom. Man, this wok is so light, it's really going to be nice to cook with. So basically we're going to get up to temperature, and we're going to start frying our vegetables. Okay, so let's make sure we're ready to fry. You hear that sizzle? So let's go ahead and throw in our bunch of vegetables here. We're basically going to let these cook down a little bit. You don't want to cook it down too much to where they're going to be soggy. If you like that, that's fine, but we like to have a little bit of crunch when they're biting down onto the vegetables. So basically you're going to want to cook this down for a little bit, and we'll come back to it and just keep stirring. So basically you want to cook it down for about 10 minutes or so, and you'll see the carrots start to get kind of like rubber-like. That's what you want to see basically. What I like to do is I go in with the Kikkoman soy sauce. Oh, it smells so good. What I like to do is add a little pepper. Add a little paprika. And I like to add chili and lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. Oh, it smells so good. So at this point, we're pretty much ready to add the meat. Just gonna give it another few seconds. We'll go ahead and actually add the garlic now. I like to add the garlic later on so it does not burn. Just make sure you get a little bit of oil to it and work it in. Wow, you can already smell the garlic. Everything is fusing together. Let's go ahead and add the meat. We're going to cook this for about another 5 minutes or so, let the meat warm up. Five minutes has passed. We're going to go ahead and add our teriyaki sauce. You don't want to go too heavy on it. Make sure you mix it up well. That should about do it. Oh, I wish you could smell this. I'm going to take this down a little bit, let all the flavors fuse together with the teriyaki, and go ahead and add your green onion shoots in. Alright, we're ready to plate up. Okay, so we're about ready to plate up here. How good does that look? Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Please subscribe and tell all your friends. From our family to yours, please enjoy.